Hi everyone, this is Saranya. In this video, I'll be talking about shift register. The aim is to study and implement shift register in various modes of operation. Serial in, parallel out and parallel in, parallel out. The procedure is being given below. Connections are given as per the circuit diagram. We have to give inputs with the help of the circuit diagram, observe the output and verify the truth table. Shift register. It is another type of a sequential circuit that is used for storage and transfer of data in the form of binary numbers, then shifts data out once every clock cycle. Hence, it is called as a shift register. An n-bit shift register can be formed by connecting n flip-flops, where each flip-flop stores a single bit of data. Shift registers are generally provided with a clear or reset connection, so they can be set or reset as required. There are four types of shift registers. They are serial in, serial out, parallel in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out. In this video, we will be seeing about serial in, parallel out, and parallel in, parallel out. First, let's see into serial in, parallel out. The register is loaded with serial data, one bit at a time, with the stored data being available in the parallel form. It is nothing but inputs are given in the series form and we will get output in the parallel form. The truth table is being given here. So the block diagram is represented here. QA, QB, QC, QD are the outputs and we'll give our inputs in the serial form. Clock pulse and clear are common for each and every D flip-flops. Let's see the working of serial in, parallel out. We'll be requiring 4 D flip-flops. Third one and the fourth one. And now one toggle switch and clock pulses is connected to AND gates and they are the inputs of the AND gate, and the output of AND gate is connected to the clock's pulse space of each and every D flip-flop. You can see it here. It is connected to this one and for this one too. And now we'll be requiring push button which is connected to NOT gate, and this NOT gate is connected to the clear part of each and every D flip-flop. We'll be requiring 4 light bulbs which is connected to the Q port of each and every D flip-flop, and D flip-flops are interconnected. We can see it here. And now first D flip-flop is connected to the Q part of the last D flip-flop, and high constant 1 is connected to the preset state of each and every D flip-flop. And now we will be requiring a 4-bit digit which is connected to the Q part of each and every D flip-flop. So you can see it here. It is connected here and it is connected and it is also connected. With the help of this 4-bit digit, we can see the output of the serial in, parallel out shift register. So we are seeing the output of this. So this is the working of serial in, parallel out. Let's move on to parallel in, parallel out. Parallel data is loaded simultaneously into the register and transferred together to their respective outputs by the same clock pulse. This type of shift register also acts as a temporary storage device or a time delay device similar to SISO configuration, that is nothing but serial in, serial out configuration. Data is presented in the parallel format to the parallel input pins PA to PD and then transfer directly to the respective output pins QA to QD by the same clock pulses. So this is the block diagram of 4-bit digit parallel in, parallel out shift register. QD, QC, QB, QA are the parallel outputs. PD, PC, PB, PA are the parallel inputs. Clock pulses are common for all the D flip-flops. So let's see the working of parallel in, parallel out flip-flop. Register. We'll be requiring 4 D flip-flops here, and toggle switch is connected to the D, that is input of the first flip-flop, and clock pulse is connected to the clock signal of each D flip-flop. We can see it here, and high constant is connected to the clear part of these 3 flip-flops. First 3 flip-flop, and it is connected to the preset state of the last flip-flop, and we'll be requiring one push button which is connected with a NOT gate, and the output of NOT gate is connected to the preset state of the first three flip-flops. We can see it here, here, and the clear state of the last flip-flop. We will just label them. This is Q1, 1 and 1 and 0, and we'll be keeping the output light bulbs for them for each and every D flip-flops. So we have connected the light bulbs to the Q of every D flip-flops. We can see it here, and we require a 4-bit digit to see the outputs. So with the help of this 4-bit digit and light bulbs, we can see the output of parallel in, parallel out shift register. We can see it here. So this is the working of parallel in, parallel out shift register. Thank you. Let's see in another video.